Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, Loose Screws Reviews, back giving another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing of some LED light bars from a company called Monster. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all this business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright, now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, today I'm doing a quick unboxing of a LED light bar kit, the Monster Illuminessent light bar kit. Let me pull up where you can see it. The Monster Illuminessent light bar, 2 LED bar light kit with remote control. Alright, nice little starter kit. I was walking through a local Walmart and happened to browse through the electronics sections, and I was like, oh man, that's pretty cool, because I already did a review on some other ones I found at the Walmart right here. These are the Lumen-Light or whatever. Yeah, the price was like $34.96. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box where you can check them out at Walmart. Not sure if the link could get you close to it, but at least you can see it on the link down there. And check your local Walmarts, you'll be able to see them. If you have any questions, leave your questions down there in the comment section. I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. All right. Let's see on the box. You see them. Let you see the back of the box. Tell you, easy to save, easy to use, easy to expand. You can expand up to 30 of these bad boys. You can expand it to the Monster. They got strips, bulbs, and these. Okay, that's pretty cool. Didn't know that. So I'm learning something new right here. I didn't know the Monster had, you know, LED strips too and smart bulbs. That's pretty cool. And then they show you a picture of the remote control right here. Remote control, touch remote control, multicolor touch RF remote control. Takes 3 AAA batteries. So you got to make sure you got them on deck, because they don't have them in the box, because I already took it out of the box and checked it out. And also, it tells you the on and off switch right here. Let's see here. Easy select color, complete dimmable, program speed, choose from preset lighting programs. Let's see, USB power supply not included. All right, meaning ain't no charging brick. It's just, you know, got the USB cord in there, so you ain't got no charging brick. You gotta have your own charging brick, or you can have like a plug where you can plug it in, or a power bank. A power bank will work perfectly, but I'm gonna show you that later when we go back up top. So I'll show you how it looks, you know, from another angle. All right. This is what the box. This is what it look like right here, and it's showing you some other stuff on the outside of the box. It's the side of the box. The front of the box. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Say starter kit with remote included. And like I say, remember I said about the holidays, this is perfect for the holidays. You know, decorate your, you know, your house, you know, in your living room, wherever you chill at. Halloween, they got everything covered. 4th of July, they got them all covered. All right, let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of the box. So like I said, I already took it out of the box and checked it out for myself, but I wanted to put it back in for the sake of the video. Open the box up so you can see what you get. Put the box to the side. Anything else in the box? Nah, nothing else in the box. Alright. Take this plastic out. You can see you got some 3M stickies right here. Some Velcro. So if you want to, you know, to Velcro these bad boys and you know, stick them up somewhere, you could do that. So I'm gonna set these to the side. You got the you got an Allen wrench in here. Used to go ahead and put the bad boys together. We're gonna take that bad boy out, because we're gonna need that in a minute. So let's go ahead and take these Allen wrench out, and you got a couple of screws in here too. So I don't want to lose these bad boys. Some say leave the screws in here for now, so I won't lose them, because you know me, I'll be to knock them on the floor somewhere. All right. Here's the remote itself. Toss this plastic to the side. Just peel this stuff off the remote. Satisfying, huh? Check out the remote. Nice little sleek, premium looking remote. Let's see, open up the back. They'll take the batteries out. I think I did. Yeah, it doesn't come with batteries, so it said you had to take 3 but I'm only seeing 2, or they are my misquoting the box. No, it said 2. They said 2. I don't know what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about something else. 2 AAA batteries, so you can see in here. 2 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna show you that a little bit later once I put it all together. You got your instructions. Keep your instructions because you might need them. You know, never know. I really didn't need it, but you know. And here are the lights itself. Light bar 1, light bar 2. Light bar 1, light bar 2. So I'm gonna put these bad boys to the side right here. I'm gonna put them to the side, and you get your stands right here so you can have them adjusted the way you want to have them adjusted. All right. We'll set the stands to the side. Get rid of this plastic. Put that plastic to the side, and this is where you pretty much go ahead and put them together like that. However way you want to put them. You put your little screws in there, put them together, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna have them set. I might have them set up like that. I don't know yet. But look at the light bar itself. It's got the little Monster branding on here. And this is where you go ahead and put your screw in there, right there to mount it. Also, you see these little grooves in here? That's where you put your little stickies at. Let me take one of these little stickies out so you can see it. Take the little stickies out. Alright, you got your little stickies right here. They fit right there with Velcro. Fit right there in the little slot. So if you want to Velcro it somewhere on the wall or Velcro, you know, wherever you want to put it, you can put it right there. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, you have your some more little specs right here. There we go. Got it to focus. So you can pause that, read it for yourself. Little specs on there, information. USB cord. Like I said, you could use a battery. You could use a power bank, you know, plug it in, or you got a power. If you got a charger brick to come with a cell phone, use that. Either way, you know what I'm saying. But I'm pretty much probably going to use a power bank just for the demonstration of this video. So once we move up top, all right. Front. This kind of cheap. It's pretty much cheap plastic, whatever. You know, like I say, this just something for, you know, novelty, something for the holidays. Cheap plastic, but you know, I think it's more premium than the ones I have here. These other ones, probably a little bit more premium than these, but you know, at least the remote is anyway. You could use it. This one says you could use a remote to control too. So, all right, like I say, both of them pretty much the exact same thing. Bam, Monster branding. You can see right here, Monster branding. You know, same screws, mounting procedures. So pretty much. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set these bad boys up and show you what they look like. All right, hold tight. Okay, we back up top, and I got the lights set up. I got them mounted, you know, vertically. You got them standing up and down. So I got the batteries in the remote, and we're gonna test them out. You see, I got the other lights that I got from Walmart already out. These are the other ones I got already out on the desk. All right, put them to the side, and this is the remote to them. So I'll go ahead and turn these around. This is how they look right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn those off and then turn these on. So let's give it a try. First I got to plug it up into power brick. So I'm using a power brick, power bank, whatever you want to call it, to power them up. Plug them both in. I got my, what is the Anchor 5,000 watt power bank. Let me get it put in here. Alright, set that back that way so I can get them to face forward. There you go, got them facing forward. Alright, hit the remote, see what kind of colors it does. Okay, that turned it off. Turn it on, just change the color to red. You can see right there. Let me I'm gonna turn the lights down in the studio also, so you can see it better. So you can see it better. And that's like a purple, green, red, back to blue. And here's some other settings on here. Let's see if this is to make it fade or whatever. Because I didn't really look at the instructions to see what it does. There we go. You make it fade in and out. It's going in between different colors. So this is pretty much the mode button to change it to different modes. Change to a different mode. Flashing. Another pulsing mode. Let's see this. So I'm guessing this would be the speed. Because this is pretty much just touch sensitive. So they like the remote for these other ones, you could actually physically press the button. This is like touch sensitive. Try to get this. Let me look at the instructions for a second and see what okay, yeah, there we go. This is the brightness, so I'll turn up to the brightest setting. The middle one is for the speed of the lights changing colors, so I'm going to put it on the max speed. And the other one is preset programs, preset mode, so change to that mode. So that's basically a fade in and out. The next mode, another fade in and out. Okay, so you got to click it twice real quick so it'll change modes. So that's flashing mode, another flashing mode, another fade and smooth mode. Okay. So that's pretty cool there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool right there. So I'm gonna turn the lights off and so you can see it see how it looks on the screen, on the green screen back here. Let me turn these lights down in the studio. Thought I had, yeah. So you can see it flashing right there. So that's a different mode. All right, I got everything, most of the lights off on the studio. As you can see, change the difficulty. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut these other lights off. Bam, got them other lights off. Only thing lights you'll see is like my little desk mat light. All right, you got that on. But check this out. So I'm going to change it to red. Matter of fact, I'm going to turn it around so you can see how it looks on the see if it'll brighten up the studio a little bit. See if I can turn it around. You can see how it's brightening up the studio. Put this power brick around so you can kind of get a gist of how bright they are. You turn this off. I got my tablet in here running. You turn the tablet off. So there you go. It's just dim lights. Alright. Changing the color. Go to the preset mode. That's pretty cool. Another mode, fade out mode. That's a green, like fade out green. Another fade mode, like a little pulse mode, and it's on the brightest settings. And I got it on the fastest speed. I accidentally touched it there. The blinking mode. So as you can see, that's pretty cool. There's some pretty cool lights. Let me go ahead and turn it around so you can see and turn the lights back up in the studio. And overall, these are some pretty decent lights. Pretty decent lights. There we go. Turn the lights back up a little bit. Here we go. $35. Not bad. Like I say, touch sensitive remote. With the instructions out of the way. Also, like I said, if you want to have them like laying to, on the side, you got the stickies right here, the Velcro. You put them let me unplug this so I can get it so you can see it up close. You can put the little stickies in here to control it. And you can, like I said, you can mount it wherever you want to mount it. But right now I got them, like I said, got them vertically, whatever. And this is pretty much probably how I'm going to use them, like this. So I'm going to keep them on the stands right here. You can see the stands. Yeah, we had to screw it in there. It comes with a little Allen wrench, whatever, to put them together. And this is how I'm gonna have it set up. So I just got to figure out where I'm gonna have them where I'm gonna put them at. And like I said, you can use the remote to control them. And as you see, as soon as I plugged it up, it went back to the same exact mode that it was before I unplugged it. So that's a cool cool thing there. So it syncs back with it. So that's pretty cool. If you're looking for something to brighten up the ambience for the holiday season, there you go. Alright, let me get this box out of the way. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And once we get to the 2,000 subscribe mark, I'll be doing some giveaways, some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? And the message for the day is, basically, at this time of the year, be thankful. Be thankful for what you have. Don't worry about what you don't have. And just be appreciative and thankful. And be thankful for the holidays. And be thankful for your friends and families that you get to celebrate the holidays with. And if you don't get to celebrate with your friends and family, just be thankful you're breathing, alright? That's the message for the day. Enjoy the holidays. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.